Hi guys, I'm Daniel. You'll be able to do this simple typing animation using CSS. Please subscribe to the channel if you're not subscribed already so that you would help us and appreciate us like that. I have title of typing animation with CSS. I have a div of class container. I have another list of class wrapper, and I have these three guys. Inside my CSS, I have CSS pre-formatting, and I have body or the body background that has this color, and then my body is set to flex so that I can center the items and main height 100 view height. I'll open my Chrome by toggling through the CSS or the Visual Studio extension, and this is how the thing looks like. So we will go back to our Visual Studio Code and start styling. Now I'll just move straight, and first thing I want to style is my span, and here I'll give it a color of maybe this guy, and position should be relative. Font Font size should be 4 rem, and save that. I'll open my Chrome, and this is what all of them looks like. The next thing I want to do is to target the span inside of my li. Sorry, I'll say span, and here I would say the font width should be 800, and save that. Open my Chrome again to check that, and I love what I'm seeing already. Then I think I'll just bring this guy down, and for this guy I'm just gonna do maybe red. So I open this again. Okay, that's basically what I want. And the next thing I want to do is to target my span inside my li, but this time around will be the after. Content would be nothing, up would be 0, left would be minus 2%, height would be 100% height, and then the width would be 104%. Then the background color should be that of my body color, and then I will have a border left property, 3 pixels solid, and would be blue. I'll make it yellow, right? I save this and open my Chrome. I will have these guys. All right, then left minus 2%. Okay, let me go back again. I have this. So what I forgot to do was to include a position of relative to this guy. So here would have a position of absolute. All right, now that's beautiful. And for my allies, the style would be none. Next thing I want to do is to add animation to this guy. So I'll say animation, name would be move, slide, duration will be 1.5 seconds. This guy be infinite, and I'll just give animation properties listed here, and here I'll say slide, and slide for 50%. I want it to move left 100 and 100% or 102%, and when it's 100% it would move just minus 2%. Be left minus 2%. Save this and open my Chrome browser. I have this guy like this. Next thing I want to style will be my container. So I'll say dot container display flex. Cap would be 0.8 rem. And save that and open. Alright. Then this would be align items start. Not start. I think it's start, not flex start. And that was like the default, right? So for now, I think my phone width my phone weight is too much, so I'm just gonna reduce it to 600 and check that again. So this is much more better. Next thing I want to do, I think the next thing I want to do right now, for my wrapper, that will be the analysis. I will say position should be relative, top should be 0, and then that's it. And I will now say, okay, I'll give it animation property. So I'll say animation name will be move up. Duration would be 4.5, sorry, 1.5 times 3, that would be 4.5 seconds. I need this guy, I need all this guy. Infinix. And here I would say keyframes move up. Here I would say when it's 100%, just move up. I'll confirm this through inspect. So I'm gonna check the height of my li so that I know how much height I would give to my wrapper to go up. Okay, here it's auto. So when I click on the list, it's 73.6. So that would be times 3, which would give me 220, 220 rather. So this would be minus 220 pixels, 0.8 pixels precisely. So if I come here, and that's it. So the next thing I want to do would be to give it a step. So step would be 3. Save that. All right. So here was 1.5 seconds. I have 3 times. That'll be yes. As you can see, everything is working and it's fine. So the next thing I want to do is to give the height of my div. This would be this guy. I'll give height to this guy. So to do that, I'll just come here. I'll say dot container and immediate child, which is a div. The height should be 73.6 pixels, right? Save that, open, and then I'll give it overflow of hidden. Save that again, open. So yes, this is how you can do it. And I need to give it some padding. So for my span, yeah, so this will be padding 0 and then 0.2 rem. All right, I just remove this guy, and here I'll give it padding of 0, and this would be 0.5 or rather 1 rem. So if I save this and go back, so yes guys, this is how you can do typing animation with CSS. Subscribe and get me to 10k subscribers.